Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a TikTok tutorial on how to join the beta features. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And then the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is go ahead and head over into your inbox. And if you go to your system notifications, I've already done this. It'll say right here in your account updates or creator updates, I'm not too sure which one, but it'll say that you're invited to the beta features. And then you just want to go ahead and click on that. And then if you're on iPhone, there is an extra step. You have to go to the store, or just look up the App Store. And then from here, you want to download something called Test Flight. And then you'll download the Test Flight app. And then when you click on that invitation link to the beta features, it should go ahead and open up the Test Flight app and put the TikTok beta app within your Test Flight. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a TikTok tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.